Let's do this.
Hi, welcome to
Explosif Bilds!
I'm Dante.
I'm Ed, i.e. Dad.
Today we are going to build a special set.
Yes, that's right. Today we're going to compete. Dante and we're going to race to build our Lego sets. These are mechs. I have Superman versus Lex Luthor, Lego set number 76302. What set do you have, Dante?
I have Iron Man Mech versus Ultron, set number 76307.
You ready?
Yeah.
Builder power! Let's do this. Oh, this is easy. It's only 120 pieces.
Mine is only 101.
Oh, 101.
We open what's that?
Superman is complete.
Iron Man complete.
Wow, that's quick. Lex Luthor complete.
Ultron complete.
Ultron has a blaster. A kryptonite and a blaster.
Armor and rocket. Now Ultron.
So far, I got the torso and the waist of Superman's mech. Right leg. Left leg. Connect. 3, 2, 1. This was a race. It was a speed build. Technically, Dante's arm clicked in place before mine. Wonder why that happened. Hey, well, all in all, what do you think about your mech? Show the camera, show the camera. So, here's the Iron Man mech. Look at his arms. Got fully functioning hand. Torso twist. Tony Stark. Is behind the helmet with his own little cockpit. And he has blasters in his right hand. I think this would be better for War Machine versus Iron Man. Well, all in all, this mech looks pretty cool. With Ultron. Villains don't need mechs. Is looking pretty sinister. Here's Superman's mech. Boosters for guys that can already fly. I like the red, gold, and blue setup. Twisted torso, big arms, shoulder pauldron, and the cape hanging out to the back. Looks pretty epic. There's little legs with the kryptonite armor, blaster, and his piece of kryptonite to use against Superman. Probably why Superman is in a mech right now. To fight off Lex. All in all, this has been a really fun build. So, I would say that build, but let's test out the Superman. They did put one of my kryptonite weaponized. Right, so that built. All in all, we had a blast. So, what do you think, Dante?
That like button.
And remember to subscribe. Until next time, you too can be a builder.